What if I told you one skill could completely change your life? One skill that can help you get a better job, travel the world, talk to new people, and feel more confident. That skill is English. But maybe you think, English is too hard. I am not smart enough. I always forget words. Stop, because today I want to tell you something powerful. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to start.
Many people want to learn English, but they are scared. Scared to speak. Scared to make mistakes. Scared people will laugh. So they stay silent. They understand a little, but they never speak. And year after year, nothing changes. But here is the truth. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. They made mistakes. They said wrong words. They felt embarrassed. But they kept going.
English is not just a language. It is a door to knowledge, a door to opportunity, a door to confidence. Imagine this. You can watch videos and understand them. You can talk to people from different countries. You can get better jobs. You can study online. You can travel with confidence. English gives freedom. And maybe the life you dream about is on the other side of. Many people wait for the perfect time. I will start next month. I will learn when I have more time. I will start tomorrow, but tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. And life keeps moving. The biggest mistake is not bad grammar. The biggest mistake is not starting. Start now. Even 10 minutes a day can change everything. You don't need to be smart. Some people think, I am weak in English. My memory is bad. Others learn faster than me. Listen carefully. English is not about talent. It is about repetition. A child learns by hearing words again and again. You can too. Read, listen, speak, repeat. Slowly your brain changes. Slowly, English becomes natural. The power of small steps. Do not try to learn everything in one day. Learn one word, then one sentence, then one conversation. Small steps become progress. Progress becomes confidence. Confidence becomes success. One day, you will realize the English you feared is now part of your life. When people laugh, maybe people will laugh. When you speak broken English, let them. Because while they laugh, you are growing. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every wrong sentence teaches something. Do not fear mistakes. Fear staying the same. Your future self. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You speak English confidently. You understand movies. You talk without fear. You feel proud. Now imagine you quit today. Nothing changes. Same fear. Same excuses. Same regret. Which future do you want? The choice is yours. So today, make a promise. Say, I will start. I will make mistakes. I will learn. I will not give up, because English is not impossible. It is possible. One word, one day, one step at a time. And maybe this small decision will change your entire life. Start today. Speak today. Learn today. Your future is waiting. If you are learning English, remember, never be afraid to start small. Big success begins with small steps.